Bonjour! Hello! My name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Okay, so starting off here, you can teleport, but you vomit violently for 60 seconds as soon as you reach your destination. Personally, vomiting is my least favorite thing ever, so no, I don't care what it takes. I won't go there. I won't vomit. I'm in the minority again. 30% of people don't want to vomit. You meet your soulmate, but that person's the same gender as you. If he's my soulmate, I wouldn't care that he's the same gender. So yes, I would. Press a button. 54% of people are with me. You can teleport anywhere you want, but you lose 6 months of your life every time. Sure, I mean, it's only 6 months. 47% are with me. You will be able to travel in time at any place and anywhere, but you'll never be able to see your loved ones ever again. Not worth it. 57% are with me. Okay, you get to become invisible at your command, but every content in your body that is not necessary for your health, feces, urine, stomach content, will fall unpleasantly through your invisible body, giving yourself up. Well, let me just say that feces, urine, and stomach content are absolutely necessary for health, but $55% of people are with me. High five! High five! Nah. You can control every living creature in the world with a thought, but you lose your arms. Not worth it. No, I don't wanna control living creatures. Part of what makes life awesome is the fact that living creatures have their own free will. You will receive 5,000 euro for killing a person. You cannot be arrested for this, and nobody knows that you did it, but they must be conscious prior to the killing. You must keep eye contact during the killing. They are fully aware and can talk during the event. As much as there are certain people I'd like to kill, I just don't have it in me anymore. But I'm in the minority again. 43% of people didn't press a button. Free ice cream, any flavor, for the rest of your life. But for every pound of ice cream, you gain 3 pounds of overall body weight. I think you gain 3 pounds for every pound of ice cream anyway. But, I have many weaknesses, like food-wise, but ice cream isn't one of them. You will become social media famous and be incredibly good at your craft, but you will have to live in a secluded area and never meet anyone. No way. I like people. 63% are with me. I like people. I think there's too much of them, but I like people. And social media has gotten out of hand. Lucid dreaming whenever you want. No nightmares or sleep paralysis, but you must end each dream with painful suicide. No, first of all, I don't wanna have to take my own life in my dreams. And second of all, I hate lucid dreaming. I believe lucid dreaming is where you have control over your dreams, and dreams are not fun for me then. So no way. 48% of people are with me. You gain the ability to make anyone do what you want just by giving them verbal commands, but no one will love you because of your power. Niels P. Holmes says, command them to love me. I just love the loopholes you guys find in these. But it comes back to the joy of life is, no, having control over people is not good. Like me, I don't even have control over myself. But that's a joke, but you know what I mean. 47% of people are with me and they wouldn't press the button. I'm in the minority again. The internet is forever spared any censorship or restrictive acts such as SOPA, S-O-P-A. But Japan is destroyed, its human inhabitants all die, and it will never be rebuilt. There goes Nintendo and any of the other great video game companies. No. And part of the reason internet is good is I found that doesn't work. Anyway, I love Japan. I love the idea of Japan. I've never been there. You will become socially accepted, but you can never go on Tumblr ever again. Well, that's tough. No, it isn't. All I want is acceptance, and Tumblr can kiss my ass, quite honestly. Even though I have a Tumblr account. All I ever wanted was to be accepted. You can freeze time and manipulate anyone you want. But every time you do so, someone will die. Again, I don't want to be responsible, but it comes back to the joy of life is not the inability to manipulate people. You now live in a mansion with staff on hand at all times. But night at the Roxbury is on an infinite loop in every room, full blast. I'm happy with my little house, and I've never seen Night at the Roxbury or never heard it, but it's bad, yeah? Your greatest fantasy, secret fantasy will come true, but you will be forever mute. I don't like talking that much anyway. Except, of course, for YouTube. I will. You awake in your favorite fictional universe as your favorite fictional character in this universe, but your personality slowly becomes theirs, and you experience every feeling and event the characters has, as well as having to deal with never being able to see your family and friends again. No? I think things are best if they stay as they are. You have no pain whenever you want, but your whole body is in a cast and cannot move at all for the rest of your life. No. Woohoo! 79% are with me. Okay, one more. Get free computers and other technology for life, but no more anime. Oh, I like her. I like anime. but anime, you get it? Hey. Okay, shut up, Sean. Okay. I don't watch a lot of anime anyway. I mean, back when Pokemon first came out on the TV, I admit I used to watch it a lot, like religiously, every day after school, but I don't watch anime anymore. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week, during the weeks at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. and on the weekends at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Some days I'll do short little commentaries on whatever shit pops into my head. On March 15th, which is coming up very soon, I will replace my commentaries with another type of video, and I've given this some thought, and I have a lot of issues to work out, and one of the ways I work them out is by singing songs that relate to my life. So I believe I will do gaming videos and singing videos. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, hit like if you liked it. Oh.